by one. These are my knees, they bend and go, helping me jump and run just so. These are my feet, they walk and stand, helping me move across the land. Body parts, learn with me. Head and shoulders, knees and feet, touch and move, let's have fun, learning body parts one by one. Now you know your body well, learning parts as stories tell. Tap and move and dance around, body parts make fun abound.